Hey everyone, welcome back to Nova Armory. I'm Six.
And I'm Trent, and today we're going to be reviewing the Holosun red dot.
All right, so with the Holosun, this is the HS407 Charlie model. Now with this, it is motion activated. It comes with a 50,000 hour battery life. So it's a nice case. Comes with all the equipment you need, cleaning cloth, your manual. It's very compact. We actually have it on a weapon here so you guys can see it.
So we have it mounted on this micro conversion kit, but we're going to do another video in the future on that.
All right, so with the red dot, so some other functions you're going to have on here. It does have a solar panel. So even though the battery life has a memory on it, it also has 10 brightness settings along with 2 night vision settings. It can mount on any Picatinny rail. We have it here just so you can see what it would look like. You have your buttons on this side for manual use. And like I said, once it's been setting for 160 seconds or 120 seconds, it'll shut off. But as soon as it detects motion, it'll kick back on.
There's also a MOA 2 dot for the reticle.
I enjoy having a red dot on a small weapon system like this. It's got a nice, very wide picture inside of the reticle itself and the lens. Super handy, quick to acquire a target. To me, it's a really good setup. All right, so that wraps it up for this. Again, thank you for joining us at Nova Armory. I'm Six.
And I'm Trent. And you can come check out the Holosun in the shop or on our website. All right.